So if I'm working on a trading strategy or an investment strategy, I need to make sure that the strategy is profitable. Or to truly get an idea about the strengths and weaknesses of the strategy, I need to test the strategy on historical data. It is called the backtesting, and it is a very fundamental concept in algorithmic trading. I can do this in Python, and we have a very good package for that. It is called the Backtrader. All right. So in this strategy, I'm using Bollinger Band, and it's a very famous technical indicator, and it's a base strategy. It means there's nothing like the stop loss or take profit or position sizing. It's a very basic strategy. Okay, so let me explain to you visually how this strategy will work. So I have this stock data, Microsoft stock data right here, and if I want to add a Bollinger Band, all right, we can see that there are two bands, the upper band and the lower band, and we see that when there is a huge volatility, the bands start to expand, and when the stock price moves above this upper band, it means it's an overbought and I need to sell the stocks. All right, and if the price falls below the lower band, it means it's oversold and I need to buy the stocks. Okay, so it's a very simple strategy. It's a very simple strategy, and I'm using same parameters right here, the 20 period and with 2 standard deviation. So this part of the code actually calculates the Bollinger Bands, and this part will define the strategy, like if the price falls below the bottom, then it's a buy signal, else it's a sell signal. And so this function checks if the order is submitted or accepted. If it is, then do nothing else. If the order is completed, then I have to log the information with a couple of parameters, like if it's buy or sell, with the direction and execution and executed price. And I have defined this function in this strategy.utils, which contains all those helper functions. All right. And now I need to, if the order is cancelled, then I need to reset the order. So this one is actually the main part. It checks for the buy signal. If there is a buy signal, then I need to use all that cash that are available. If I have a sell signal, then I need everything that I hold, like in this size variable, like self.position.size. All right, and this part of the code basically ingesting data from MetaTrader 5. For this to happen, I need to have a MetaTrader 5 installed on my PC, and I'll be ingesting the data with this function right here. This part of the code that actually ingests the data, it's a class that I've used. And I'll be ingesting data from 2023 till today, and I'm using gold USD pair, and the time frame is 4 hours. All right. And now that this part of the code actually sets everything up to spin up this backtesting, and all I need is to run this script to start the backtesting. Bollinger bands.py. This will initialize the MetaTrader 5, and after that it will fetch the data and it will start the backtesting engine. Okay, it has started backtesting, and we have a final portfolio right here. Okay, so we have a chart here that tells about all the buying and selling, and if I zoom in, we can see that our strategy is working well. So, okay, so in this case, you can see green means we bought, and red means we sold, because the price moved a little bit above the upper band, so we sold. And in this case, the price moved below the lower band, so we had to buy the stocks. All right, and that's it. We have completed our backtesting. Now I have tested my base strategy. I can add things like stop loss or take profit or some position sizing. A proper risk management is required here, and that's it.